Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our interface video that we add to an Audi A4 to be able to get the backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So the way that this unit works, it can be installed in Audi A4, A5 and Q5 with Audi concert radio. That's how the Audi concert radio look like. The MMI is on the panel, not beside the gear shift. So just pay attention to that. If you get same radio in your Audi A4, A5 and Q5, you can install this unit. So as you can see, that's the Apple CarPlay that I'm doing right now. I can control the MMI knob to scroll left and right and browse on Apple CarPlay. I can go to Google Maps. I can go to Waze. We can use Siri, of course, and I can go to reverse right now. By going to reverse, it shifts to backup camera with dynamic parking guideline. And here you can see it says auto, so by going to auto it goes to main menu and I can go back to the factory MMI and use whatever we used to use on factory screen. By clicking on media, it switches to the aux and it goes to the aftermarket mode. CarPlay is there, Android Auto, AirPlay, Auto Link, that's for DVR, the extended one, and also that's auto, which it means it switched to the factory MMI. And here you can control it by the knob as well. And the way that it works by wire, so you need to connect your phone. There is one USB that we add to this car, and by connecting to that USB you can use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Spotify is there, you can use Spotify. And this is iOS 12, so Google Maps is there and also Waze is there, which is really cool to have them on Apple CarPlay. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call and book your appointment. The phone number is 905-604-4294, and one of our sales reps can help you to book your appointment. So just give us a call. Thank you, and thanks for your attention to our videos, and just please don't forget to subscribe.